Hello and good morning to all my lovely students out there. I welcome you all for today's English class. Students, as you all know that in our last class we have finished the lesson who is the winner, right? We have completed the lesson, we have done the reading, the explanation, the summarization, everything. So in today's class, what we are going to do is we are going to start with the module. Okay, module number 7. So today's date is 26th of November 2020. We'll start the module number 7. Under module number 7, there are a few words dictation and certain other topics given. For today, I will just read out the word, dictate the words. Please write it down, and also we will see the topic words for sounds. Okay, so before moving ahead with the topic words for sounds, there are a few words to be dictated. I will dictate the words. Each word I will dictate it twice. So you listen to me carefully and write down those words. It's in page number 12 of your English workbook. Page number 12 of your English workbook. All right, students. So there are total 8 words. I'll start with the first word. Word number 1 is agree. Agree. I hope you have done that. Word number 2 is excited. Excited. Word number 3 is tooth. Tooth. Word number 4 is asleep. Asleep. All right. Word number 5 is wave. The wave in the sea. Wave. Okay. Word number 6 is shiny. Shiny. Word number 7 is fairy. Fairy. And the last word, word number 8 is coin. Coin. All right, students? Okay. Now we come to the other topic, which is words for sounds. So today, the topic which we are undergoing to take is words for sounds. So what will be our learning outcome? By the end of today's class, each of you will be able to know and differentiate the different sounds made by people, animals, and things. All right? So students, there on the picture, you can see there are animals, right? Human beings. So what is a sound? Let us first know what is a sound. A sound is something that we can hear. All right, there are many sounds made by people, animals, and things. So, what is a sound? A sound is something which we can hear, our ears can catch. Okay, we can hear it, and there are many sounds, thousands and thousands of sounds being created all around us, right? Some of the sounds created by people, animals, and things. But we are going to cover up some common sounds which we come across in our everyday life. All right, students? So here is a small activity. I have certain things. Okay, you just identify the sound. Now this here, over here, I have few coins. All right. If I put this coin in my palm and I try to move my palm like this, can you hear the sound? Yes, right? If a coin drops down also, it makes a sound. What sound is it called? Yes, the coins make a jingle sound, right? It jingles, right? Okay, all right, students. What about human? It's a thing. I have given you an example of thing, right? What sound does a snake makes? Yes, we have seen that a snake makes a hissing sound. Right? A snake hisses. So even animals make sound, right? What sound is being produced when I bring both my hands, the palm together? It's the sound of a clapping sound, right? Yes. Now I have a whistle here. It's a thing, right? If I blow this whistle, what is this? It's a sound, right? Yes. What kind of a sound does a whistle produces? Listen to it carefully once again. That is toot, right? Yes. You see, at night when your mom, dad sleep, sometimes you are restless, you are not able to sleep. Sometimes Papa snores, right? That's called a snoring sound. Yes. So, what happens, students? There are so many sounds around us. Some of the sounds are created by people. No, people make sounds, right? Animals and also things. So, let us see some of the common sounds which we come across in our everyday life. Some of the sounds being created by different animals. You can see there, bears growl, right? But most often we heard birds chirping, no? The sound of the birds early in the morning is chirping. Dogs, what do the dogs do? The dogs bark, no? Even growl sometimes when the dog is angry. And sometimes when you give food to the dog sniffs, right? Yes. So there you can see a sheep bleeds. And what? Parrots talk. A snake hisses. What sound a lion makes? A lion roars, right? So what about cats? There you can see there cats mew, right? Or even sometimes the cat makes purr sound as well, right? So these are the different sounds being created by animals. There are sounds being created by objects also. When aeroplanes fly, it makes a zoom sound, no? When the wind blows very hard, it makes a puff sound, right? When crackers burst, it makes a boom sound. So there are so many different sounds which humans, animals, and object creates. So there's a small activity or exercise over there. Let us see how much we have learned about the sound. All right. When you talk softly, when you talk softly with your friend, you don't want others to listen to you. What sound is that? What sound is it called? Is it called whisper or gargle or cough? Yes? Cough is what? Gargle when you put water and then you split the water. You move the water around your mouth and then you spit it, right? Cough is when you have cough and cold. You cough, right? Whisper means to talk softly, to say something secret. So it is called a whisper sound. Just now I showed you an example of blowing a whistle, right? I have asked you also to identify the sound, so all of you should get it correctly. Blowing a whistle, what sound does it create? It sings toot or slam. It's toot. Very good. What about dog smelling? Yeah, I've told you in the example also. Well, I explained. Dog smelling, buzz or pop or sniff. It sniffs. It makes a sniffing sound. Okay, yes, the next one is very simple. When we bring our hands together, what sound it makes? It makes a clap sound or a jingle sound or a yell sound. It makes a clap sound, right? Yes. When water is dripping from the tap, it's when you close the tap, it's not closed properly and small drops of water dripping from the tap. What sound it makes? Ring or plop plop or honk. It makes a plop. plop sound, right? Yes. So, students, in today's class, what we have seen, we have learned that there are human beings, animals, and also objects around us create various sounds, right? When they are engaged in various activities. We have also seen some of the demonstration of sounds, and also we come across that these sounds have words, a particular word for it, right? Like when we bring our hands together, we clap, and then when we move our fingers in this manner, it's called a snap, right? When people sleep, they tend to snore. Sometimes when you shout, you scream, right? All these are different sounds that is being produced around us. So there's a small activity or exercise in your workbook which I want you all to do it as homework. It's exercise 2.2, page number 15. So just try it. All right, students. So in our next class, we will see what are action words. All right. And keep smiling, keep learning. With that, we came to the end of our class. Thank you. Bye bye.